Hello, welcome to this video. Waiting for a visa, playing it my way. Please don't think that I am bluffing. Can you guess what are these? Once again, I will repeat it. Waiting for a visa. One. Next, playing it my way. Okay, I will give you a clue. What is this actually? The story of my experiments with truth. Yeah, you got it. So these are the names of the autobiographies. The first one that I said, waiting for a visa, it is the autobiography of Ambedkar. Playing it my way, it is autobiographical work of Tendulkar. And you know, the story of my experiments with the truth, Mahatma Gandhi. So in this video, I would like to share about biography. Yes, you heard right, biography. It's not autobiography, it's biography. Let me differentiate between autobiography and biography. Autobiography, here the author will be the same person about whose life, about whom it is said. Whereas in biography, it is not so. The life incidents will be recorded by some other persons. That is biography. So if I write about myself, it is called autobiography, and some other write about me, means it is biography. Now I think you might have got understood the difference between autobiography and biography. Okay, so what is this biography? Whether it is a resume? No, it is not a resume. Okay, so what is biodata means? Sorry, what is biography means? In biography, bio, living, about our graph, our fall and rise, about our success, our failures, about everything that we have faced in our life. So about whom I am going to say is about R.K. Narayan. Yes, you hear right, R.K. Narayan. Who is this R.K. Narayan? Means in Indian English literature, he is one of the most renowned person. He is the Indian English writer, R.K. Narayan. His full name is Rasipuram Krishnasamy Iyer Narayana Swamy. It is his full name, and we call him as R.K. Narayan, something like APJ Abdul Kalam. The APJ stands for Abul Fakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam, like that. This R.K. Narayan. Okay, if you see when he born, means on 10th October 1906 he born. He is well known for the fictional South Indian town of Malgudi. Yes, probably you might have read this Malgudi Days, or you might have happened to watch the program on television, the Malgudi days. Okay, it is written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, he was a leading author of early Indian literature in English. As I told you earlier, that he is one of the renowned Indian English writer. Okay, along with Mulkraj Anand and Raja Rao. Okay, so it is very pride to us that he born in Madras. Yeah, Madras Presidency, British India in 1906. Okay, if we see means his occupation is writing, and what are the genres that he contributed means fiction, then mythology and non-fiction. If you see the Malgudi days means they are fiction. Okay, we have got non-fiction, also we have got other works in addition to his contribution. Okay, Narayan's mentor and friend was Graham Greene. Yes, you heard right, the native English writer from England. He was his mentor and friend who actually helped R.K. Narayan to get published his works initially. Okay, then Narayan's first 4 books, including the semi-autobiographical trilogy of Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, and The English Teacher. So these are the 3 titles, 3 works name. As I told you earlier, the fictional town of Malgudi was first introduced in Swami and Friends. Actually, the Malgudi, R.K. Narayan portrays as a town, a place which actually doesn't exist. It exists only in the mind of the author, R.K. Narayan. So all the characters that he has portrayed in his works, they will be in that Malgudi town. Yeah, you heard right, Malgudi town, which is a fictional one. Okay, that is an imaginary town by the author R.K. Narayan. Okay, then Narayan's financial expert was hailed as one of the most original works of 1951. The work name, The Financial Expert, in 1951 it was hailed, and it is considered as one of the most original work of this man. Okay, then Sahitya Academy Award winner for the novel Guide. Yeah, you hear right, Guide. Guide is the name of the novel that he wrote, and this novel was adapted and it was picturized. Yeah, if I'm right means it is in Hindi movie. Yeah, the Guide movie was picturized in Hindi language. Okay, then he highlights the social context and everyday life of his characters. He has been compared to William Faulkner, who also created a similar fictional town and likewise explored with humor and compassion the energy of ordinary life. So in his work, that I told, the Swami and his friend, the English teacher, all these works, its background is that it takes place in the town Malgudi, and if you see the occupants of this Malgudi were the ordinary peoples whom we can see in our day-to-day life even today, like the vendors, like the shopkeepers, etc., etc. Okay, so these people's life he might have reflected in all his works, and for this purpose he is compared with William Faulkner, because he too followed the same methodology of representing a fictional town in the works that they carried on. Okay, Narayan's short stories have been compared with those of uh, Guy de Maupassant because of his ability to compress a narrative. Okay, and also if we see means in a career that spanned over 60 years, Narayan received many awards and honors. Yes, as a writer, he was bestowed with many honors and awards by our government of India. If you see what are those means, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, okay, Padma Bhushan, which is considered as one of the India's Padma Vibhushan the second, and Padma Bhushan the third highest civilian awards. This awards has been bestowed on him, and also he has got the A.C. Benson medal from the Royal Society of Literature. Yes, he doesn't get recognition only from India, from outside also he gets the recognition as a writer. Okay, then in the year 1994, the Sahitya Academy Fellowship, the highest honor of India's National Academy of Letters, was given to him. He was also nominated to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of India's parliament. So, gentlemen, if you see means this, the biography R.K. Narayan, I have just mentioned few ideas or few things that happened during his lifetime, or some incidents or some works alone. Because of technical reason, I am mentioning a few, and to your kind notice that this is the second unit in your English syllabus. Yes, the second unit is biography unit. In that biography, R.K. Narayan is the first person about whom we are going to see. I have just given you the idea. By seeing this video, you just browse, or you just read, or you just go through the biography work of R.K. Narayan, biography work on R.K. Narayan, and please come back with your ideas, suggestions and questions, so that inshallah we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Signing off.